Can I focus? I believe so. Hey guys, it's Courtney and we are going fireworks shopping. We do like a yearly little trip to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and we are gonna buy some fireworks. I made a vlog last year. This was like the first video that like started up me posting regularly again, which it's got like 5 views, so I know no one's watched it. But I made a vlog about last year's trip, and now I'm gonna vlog again on this year's trip, and we are gonna go get some fireworks, and it's gonna be fun. Trying to vlog, and this is what I have to put up with. Oh, it's a dinosaur! You can barely see it. Pyro City. Oh yeah. There's a lot of road construction, so that's kind of holding us up. Hopefully you can see all of the...
There's the T.
Yes, T Street. Hopefully you can see all of the... Oh, there's another one coming up. Alright guys, so we are at our first stop, Pyroholic Fireworks. I think this is our favorite one out of the ones we went to last year. We are just waiting to go inside. Something funny, I'm recording. Oh, there's a car. I should probably get out of the middle of the way. As you guys can probably see, or I hope you guys saw, I hope I got good shots of the signs when we were driving up here, but this place is like Fireworks Central. There's this place, another place, there's like 4 places just right next to each other for fireworks. You can't really see them because we're too close. He apparently wanted to be in the vlog. So we're gonna go inside. I think my dad's already inside, so we're gonna go see what we can find. So my favorite thing about this one is everything's like color coded, and they have red being their favorite. Yellow's also good. Green is average and noisy. Blue is fun for kids, and black is buy something else. So everything has a colored dot on them.
Almost there now. I remember last year we
These cat ones are killing it.
That's yours.
Yeah. Look at this one. It's got Darth Maul on it. Bite your tushy.
It's like, how do you choose? Well, what's your problem?
Gone bananas. What's your problem?
That one?
What's that one do? Yeah, it's got a red. Sure.
Alright.
Extra. What about extra fish? Little Easy. That's pretty cool. I like the little Easy. I would just like the packaging of it. Loading up.
Your tushy's getting fed. Yeah. I didn't know you guys did that. Try to keep running away from me, man. Oh, I'm getting the king, dude. Should have a lot of leave the air on for you guys.
So they're going back in.
They're going back in. We gotta get the 70 parachute men.
How many parachutes?
70.
How much was it? 70?
Alright guys, we just stopped at our first fireworks store. We're waiting for Dad to... They had to go back in and buy one more thing, and now we're gonna go to stop number 2.
We're buying a parachute battalion.
Yes, parachute battalion. Shoot 70 little soldiers on parachutes.
Had a red sticker.
Yes, red stickers are the good ones.
We'll probably only be able to find like, I don't know.
5.
Yeah,
5,
they'll all get lost.
They'll probably all land in the tree.
There are the few.
Alright, we are at the next stop. Oh yeah, big gorilla. Guys, so we are on our second stop. We are at Pyro City, which is the biggest, most obnoxious one, as you guys can probably see. Many signs that say black cat sold here, so we're gonna go inside and get some more fireworks. This one is the Godfather. It's chained up and it's $5.99. Unfortunately, not buying it this year. Another really cool thing about this one is that you can scan anything in the store and then you can get a little preview of it.
Yeah.
That one is in the database. Those are just like skull clouds.
That one's funny. Sounds cool. Yeah. Alright, so we're getting ready to light off our annual, it's tradition, we gotta light off one little small firework, and then we're gonna leave and go back home. Are we recording? Yes, we are. Okay. So I think we got some pretty good stuff on this trip. I will, hopefully when I get home, I'll kind of show you guys what we all got, show you the packaging, and then we'll light them off Saturday night.
You do the honors?
Alright guys, so now we're home and I'm just going to show you every little firework box that we got.
Secret agent.
One of my favorites.
Bite your tushy. Honey badger.
Which is a repeat from last year. Honey badger don't care. I can show off the little ones we got. We got this cute little alien head thing that's supposed to shoot out sparks. We got some Roman candles. We got some, they're called Twin Freaks, and they just kind of spark and like light up on the ground. Evil, which is a repeat from last year. We got Bombastic. We got the Shake and Bake. We got some Prince and Princess Frog people things. We got Stressed Out. And we got the That's Your Problem.
What's your problem? That's your problem.
Yeah, that's your problem. And that's about it. Thanks for hanging out with us on our trip to get fireworks for the 4th of July. And hopefully I'm able to vlog and kind of get a few of them on camera this weekend. I will see you guys in the next video.